Perfection is overrated anyway. Why did I think this building a house was gonna be fun? The framing of my Hempcrete home has finally begun and I am so excited. Last week we put up the very first wall in the sunroom and I got to use that beautiful old growth Douglas fir. This week our goal is to just get as many walls up as we possibly can. Alright, that one was perfect. Getting better, getting better. Muy bien. I am a little heavy still. I guess it's better than being light though, right?
Just shave off a little more. Try to get it as good as you can.
Feeling I'm going to be a little bit heavy again. It's hard to get that perfect. Perfection is overrated anyway. I'm feeling a perfect 92.5. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little heavy again.
What?
But like a hair.
Are they always a hair long?
Yeah.
Well, then just take that into account and take your time. Do it right. That's how you get her done, babe. It's the classic turtle in the hair, babe.
Yeah.
You just, you know.
I know. I think the problem is that I've been so used to just like loving chaos and not being perfect.
Wow.
Like, because perfection is quite boring. So then when you tell me I have to be perfect, I have a little bit of anxiety about it. I'm like, what?
Ooh.
What do you mean I have to be right on the mark? That sounds so boring.
Perfection is boring?
Yeah, it is.
What? No.
Perfection's boring. Do you want me to be perfect?
Well.
Or like a little chaotic? A little adventurous. You gotta have a little bit of adventure. Like maybe a 16th of an inch adventure.
Yeah, but when you're building in a house and you get to the second floor,
It needs to be perfect.
and it's not level, that's not really my idea of a nice, fun adventure.
Oh, okay.
I'd rather get to the second floor and be like, oh.
Uh-oh, I think I just inched myself on that one.
Uh-oh.
So what do I do?
Is it an inch short?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
I can't
put it aside.
See, I shouldn't be talking to you while I'm trying to
Yeah,
cut.
that's what the problem was. Too much talking, not enough working.
This is so boring.
Too much
Math
talking,
is so boring.
not enough working. You need a little adventure, so you...
I do need a little adventure. This is so monotonous and like... Why did I think this building a house was gonna be fun? It's literally just like boring math. I mean, using the tools is kind of fun though. Okay, did I just do that again?
Did you inch yourself again?
Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. Losing my mind. No, I'm good, okay. We took a little break around 1:30. Rona came and delivered a bunch more stuff, and then we decided to take a break because it is so freaking hot. Although it's 4 o'clock now, I don't think it's any cooler. I really don't. I think it's, if anything, hotter. It's the west sun coming in now. It's hot. But we have a goal today. We're gonna finish 3 walls. We want to put up 3 walls, so we're gonna do it.
Let's get her going here.
Let's get her going.
Beauteous, beauteous right there. Beauteous to the maximus. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna lift this end up. Okay.
Oh,
Perfect.
I'm not on my line at all here.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Okay.
Gotta go that way.
Okay.
3.
Woohoo! We have another wall!
First wall done.
Yay!
See the green dot there?
Yep.
So we're gonna nail this in, and we're gonna nail this brace on. Like that. Pretty good right there, eh? Beauty. Bang on the moolah right there.
Okay, let's go. Next one.
I believe in us, baby. Yeah, see, this one's got quite the crown to it.
Did I mark it the right way?
So maybe we'll use this one somewhere else.
Okay.
Yeah, you marked it the right way. But maybe we'll use it somewhere else just because these hempcrete walls, our forms are going to attach to these.
Yeah, so we want nice, straight. Hey, look, we got another wall up. All right, my camera keeps shutting off because it's too hot, which means we shouldn't be working either. So hot.
We should shut off when it's too hot.
We should shut off when it's too hot, which we do sometimes, but it's still, the sun is gonna be down behind my west trees here in like 30 minutes. But honestly, like, it's hot. It's pretty hot. Hey, we forgot to cut the door. We put this wall up and we missed a door because this is garage. Come into the mudroom. Where does the door go?
Door goes right here.
Right here.
Right beside this wall. I think we'll just go like this. Stud cripple, and then we'll start our stud cripple.
Is that another little fart?
Yep. Excuse me. Excuse me. Three, two, one, go. Oh my God.
Okay.
This one's a little heavier because of this header in here.
It is.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna lift this one. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. You got it held up there? Okay.
All right, we finished the 3 walls. Kevin is just finishing that one cripple for the door. We forgot to cut in the door. So he's just doing the final touches, but we are ready to quit. I'm ready to quit. I was ready to quit like 3 hours ago, but he was not. So yeah, anyways, we are done for the night and hopefully we'll get much more of this done this week. This man just never quits.
I'm almost done. Almost done.
Almost done. Okay. I'm proud of us. Mainly you, because I didn't do much of the math. But like all the anchor bolts are in the spots that we need them to be. And now we both need dinner and a shower.
And a beer.
And a beer. I know, I don't understand how, like, if anyone watches like Jenna Phipps, like her and Nick are never dirty and sweaty, and like look at us, we're filthy.
We clean up pretty good.
Yeah, we do clean up pretty good, babe.
Yep, we do.
Yep.
My leather straps.
Just like, it's just a good thing it's not like smell-o-vision because we stink a lot. 2 more walls in the sunroom. I have some of my house frame behind me, which is very exciting. Isn't it exciting? I'm super excited. I can't believe it. I know. We're currently marking out the mechanical room so we can frame that tomorrow. And then also start framing the floor joists for the second floor for the master bedroom. It's happening very fast. It's all very exciting. It's also like school is starting next week, so it's very stressful. Like there's so much going on. Like back to work, kids back in school, all that craziness. Anyways, we gotta lay this out, so that's what we're gonna do. Check this out. I have some floor joists on my top floor, which is gonna be the master bedroom. These things are pretty heavy, so I opted out of helping out with the floor joists because my back is a little sore today. I must have tweaked it unloading lumber yesterday.